Now, if you look at this problem, there is a lake surface, okay, lake surface. There is a cloud like this. This is the cloud. In this problem, it is told the angle of elevation of a cloud from a point P, which is 25 meter above the lake, be 30 degree. See, this is the lake surface. Now the point P is here, which is 25 meter above the lake. Okay, from the point P, the angle of elevation of the top of the cloud, like this, the angle of elevation of the top of the cloud, this is 25 meter. Is it okay? Angle of elevation of the top of the cloud is found to be how much degree? It is given in the problem as 30 degree. And the depression of reflection, now the same thing will get reflected downwards, right? The same thing will get reflected downwards. This angle of reflection is given, angle of depression is given to be how much is it? 60 degree. Now let's say that this is the height h from the lake surface. This is the lake surface. Okay, this is the lake surface. From here, let this be capital H meter. So, and let this be x meter. Is it okay? X meter. So now your reflection is formed at the same distance from the lake surface above. The same point reflection is formed, which is nothing but h meter, right? H meter. Now the question is asking you to calculate then the height of the cloud from the surface of the lake. That is nothing but h meter. How much is it? Is the question asked. Correct or not? Question is asked like this. So now let me call this as d meters, and let me call this value also as what is it? D meters. Is it okay? So now you can say tan of 30 degree, that is equal to x divided by d. So 1 divided by root 3 is equal to x divided by d. So d is equal to root 3 times x. This is what? Equation number 1. Similarly, I can say tan of 60 degree, that is equal to 25 plus capital H whole divided by d. So what is this? Root 3, that is equal to 25 plus h divided by root 3x. Is it correct? Root 3x. So your value 3x, that is equal to 25 plus h. 25 plus h. What is this value of h, capital H? Capital H is nothing but 25 plus x meters. Correct or not? So I can say 3x, that is equal to 25 plus x. Correct? This h value. So I can say 2x is equal to 50. So your value of x will be equal to what is it? 25 meter. So your value of h will be equal to 25 plus 25. So what is the answer that we get is equal to the height of the cloud above the lake surface is how much? 50 meter is the answer.